Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. You are once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In today's video, I'll be talking about what is reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive or emphatic pronoun क्या है? What is the difference between reflexive and emphatic pronouns? ज़्यादातर लोग कहते हैं कि emphatic और reflexive pronoun एक ही चीज़ है, but there is a difference. Let's begin. What is reflexive pronoun? When the action done by the subject turns back. From the very word we can understand reflection, which turn back to someone. Upon the subject. जब हमारे साथ action subject की तरह दोबारा आ जाए, reflect हो जाए, तो उसको हम reflexive pronoun कहेंगे. For example, I hurt myself. Due to this pronoun, the action turns back to the subject. यहाँ पर हमारे साथ ये action turns back to the subject. इसी pronoun की वजह से हमारे साथ action subject की तरह मुड़ता है, reflect हो जाता है. तो this pronoun is called reflexive pronoun. The horse hurt itself. Itself, due to itself, the action turns back to the horse, to the subject. Got it? The poor widow poisoned herself. So due to it, the action turns back to the subject. Now coming toward emphatic pronoun. These pronouns are used for the sake of emphasis and are therefore called emphatic pronoun. From the very word emphasis, ताकीद, वो प्रोनाउन जो कि हम किसी प्रोनाउन को ताकीद करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करें, हम किसी वर्ड पर ताकीद करने, जोर देने के लिए जो प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल की जाए उसको हम एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I myself saw him to do it. I myself, there is emphasis, ताकीद के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. He himself said so. ताकीद के लिए वो खुद ये कह रहा है. Got it? The tongue itself is not very large, so itself is used for emphasis here. अगर हमारे साथ itself, himself, myself, their self, ourself emphasis के लिए एक सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल की जाए तो उसको हम emphatic pronoun कहते हैं. अगर वही चीजें herself, itself, myself, ourself, their self, अगर ये चीजें एक्शन की टर्न्स बैक के लिए सब्जेक्ट की तरफ जब एक्शन को टर्न्स बैक करें इस प्रोनाउन की वजह से, तो उसको हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन कहेंगे. If you have any confusion or question in your mind regarding emphatic and reflexive pronoun, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.